Hey everybody, welcome to Math Made Easy by Planet Spark. Now we are getting started with the applications of quadratic equations. So quadratic equation की अगर हम बात करें everyone, yes, general form क्या है हमारे पास? ax square plus bx plus c. Right? A, B और C क्या है? Coefficients है यहाँ पे. C is the constant there. And if I talk about the degree, the highest power, that is 2. तो अगर x square नहीं है इक्वेशन में तो क्या होगा? It will no longer be an quadratic equation. So A पे हमारे पास क्या कंडीशन है? That A will not be equal to 0. Right? ये आ गई अपनी इक्वेशन. नाउ व्हेन वी सॉल्व इट, डिफरेंट मेथड्स वी हैव लर्न देयर, आइडेंटिटीज हम यूज कर सकते हैं, फैक्टराइजेशन वी कैन यूज देयर, सो दैट्स हाउ वी कैन सॉल्व इट. अब एप्लीकेशंस की इफ वी सी हाउ वी कैन find it using different forms there. Let's say mensuration का question है. We have relationship given between the length and the breadth of the rectangle and area is given. तो वहाँ से we can form a quadratic equation and then we can get the solution. Right? तो इसी type की कुछ applications we are gonna learn today. Let's see. So when an unknown quantity appears in an area, area क्यों ले रहे हैं everyone? दो चीज़ें हमें चाहिए होती हैं टू फाइंड द एरिया. यूजुअली टू डायमेंशन थिंग है, राइट? वन वी नो, द अदर वन, और लेट्स से बोथ आर अननोन. तो दो क्वांटिटीज़ हैं हमारे पास, राइट? और किसी प्रोडक्ट में मोशन, नंबर रिलेशनशिप, लेट्स से दो कंसेक्यूटिव नंबर हैं और टू नंबर्स एट अ डिफरेंस ऑफ समथिंग एंड देयर प्रोडक्ट इज गिवन, इस टाइप के रिलेशनशिप्स. द रिजल्टिंग इक्वेशन इज ऑफन क्वाड्रेटिक इन नेचर. इस टाइप की प्रॉब्लम्स में हमने देखा है दैट द इक्वेशन दैट वी गेट इज क्वाड्रेटिक and then we can solve it to get the exact value. Word problem हमें given होगी, वहाँ से उसे convert करेंगे mathematical form में to get the quadratic equation. Okay, by expressing all the conditions algebraically, जो conditions given हैं उन्हें algebraically लिखने के बाद and simplifying it into the standard form. Okay, now only those roots that satisfy the practical conditions. Practical conditions means given that किस type का question हम solve कर रहे हैं. If the variable for us belongs to the dimensions there, let's say length की हम बात कर रहे हैं, तो क्या condition होगी? Common sense. Yes, it can't be negative. So let's say दो root आ रहे हैं मेरे पास, -2 and 3. Automatically I will discard the negative root because length can't be negative. So एक ही value मेरा answer होगी. So जो भी practical situations, conditions हमें question में given है, accordingly we'll select our answer. दोनों work कर रहे हैं तो that is fine. If only one of them is working, then we'll choose that one. Then the problems such as positive values for length or speed are considered valid solutions. Last में सिर्फ हम valid solutions को ही रखेंगे, बाकी को discard कर देंगे. So let's learn through examples now how we can do that. Okay, चलिए जी, first question देखते हैं. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 132. Find the integers. क्या given है आप question में? दो consecutive positive integers हैं. Consecutive integers how can I write? Let's say एक है x, तो consecutively next one will be at a difference of 1, so I can say that will be x plus 1. So let these are my integers, right? We can say these are positive integers. अब इनकी product हमें given है 132, so इसे हम लिखेंगे mathematically, that is x into x plus 1 is equal to 132, right? Now we have to simplify it. Simplify करेंगे तो what are we gonna get? We will get a quadratic equation. 132 को भी left side ले आएंगे, minus 132, that is equal to 0. Right? You can compare it with the general form. So ax square plus bx plus c की form में equation आ गई हमारे पास. Now we will simplify this. We can use splitting the middle term there, right? So we have 1 here and a into c is 132, negative 132, right? So 132 को if we break it down, 11 into 12 we get there. Product हमें चाहिए negative, but उसका sum और difference क्या होना चाहिए? Positive. So we can take the smaller number to be negative, right? 12 and negative 11. So I can rewrite it as x square plus 12x minus 11x minus 132 equal to 0. Now very easy. पहली दो टर्म से कॉमन लेंगे, लास्ट टू से कॉमन लेंगे एंड वील गेट द फैक्टर्स. सो यहाँ से वी कैन टेक x कॉमन. व्हाट आर वी लेफ्ट विद? x plus 12. देन वी कैन टेक नेगेटिव 11 कॉमन. अगेन क्या बचेगा अपने पास? x plus 12. नाउ आई कैन टेक x plus 12 कॉमन फ्रॉम बोथ द टर्म्स. सो आई एम लेफ्ट विद x minus 11 इक्वल टू 0. अब क्या करेंगे? दोनों को 1 by 1 0 के इक्वल पुट करेंगे, बोथ द फैक्टर्स. सो x की 2 वैल्यूज आ गई अपने पास. x इक्वल टू -12 एंड x इज पॉजिटिव 11. अब वापस चलते हैं क्वेश्चन में टू सी द प्रैक्टिकल कंडीशंस गिवन देयर सो दैट वी कैन चूज द करेक्ट वैल्यू. क्या गिवन है? कंसेक्यूटिव पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स, राइट. सो नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स नहीं होंगे, we will discard that, right. So x can't be equal to -12. That means x की क्या वैल्यू है हमारे पास? 11. So if x is 11, next value क्या होगी? 12. So we have got the pair of integers as 11 and 12. That is the right answer. अब क्यों आ रही है ये वैल्यू? क्या ये रूट गलत है? नो. सी जब -12 अपने पास वैल्यू होगी देन द अदर वैल्यू विल कम आउट टू बी -12 plus 1, that is -11. इफ यू चेक द प्रोडक्ट हियर देन ऑल्सो वी आर गेटिंग 132. तो अगर हमसे सारे पॉसिबल सोल्यूशंस पूछे होते तो हम दोनों पेयर लिखते, बट वी ओनली नीड पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स, दैट्स व्हाई वी चोज दैट एंड दिस इज द ओनली आंसर. सो डिस्कार्ड करने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो आंसर गलत है. आंसर इज स्टिल राइट, इट इज सेटिस्फाइंग द कंडीशंस देयर. एक्स्ट्रा जो कंडीशंस गिवन है वो सेटिस्फाई नहीं हो रही है, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर नॉट गेटिंग इट, राइट. इस इक्वेशन का सोल्यूशन तो है वो, राइट. चलिए जी, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज 60 मीटर स्क्वायर एंड इट्स लेंथ इज 4 मोर देन इट्स ब्रेड्थ. फाइंड द डायमेंशंस. लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ में रिलेशनशिप गिवन है और एरिया गिवन है, राइट. हाउ कैन वी राइट द एरिया एवरीबॉडी? एरिया इज इक्वल टू लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ. यहाँ पे क्या गिवन है? लेट्स से लेट द ब्रेड्थ बी x. सो आई कैन से लेंथ क्या होगी? 4 मोर देन इट्स ब्रेड्थ, दैट इज x plus 4. चलिए दोनों चीजें अपने पास, सो वी कैन राइट द एरिया लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ. x टाइम्स x plus 4, दैट इज इक्वल टू 60, राइट. वी हैव रिटन द गिवन कंडीशन मैथमेटिकली. तो क्या मिल गई हमें? एक equation. Now we will simplify this equation. Solve it. Open it up. X square plus 4x minus 60 equal to 0. So we have got a quadratic equation. ax square plus bx plus c की फॉर्म में हमने लिख लिया, right? Now we just have to factorize it. वहाँ से मिल जाएंगे solutions. Okay. So let's use splitting the middle term. a into c is -60. Factorize करेंगे such that the sum or difference of the factors is 4, b, the middle term, right. So let's say we can write it as 30 and 2 won't work, 15 and 4, no. What else we can take? Okay, when you're stuck with this कि क्या factors choose करने हैं, easiest way is to do the prime factorization. Okay, आसान हो जाएंगी चीजें. So for 60 let's write it. Okay, now you can try different combinations. 10 and 6 ले सकते हैं, 5 into 2 and 3 into 2, right. 10 and 6. Difference आ रहा है हमारे पास 4. But we want the product to be negative and difference to be positive. तो छोटे नंबर को हम नेगेटिव ले लेंगे, right, so that the difference is positive. So rewrite it as x square plus 10x minus 6x minus 60 equal to 0. Again, first two terms से common, last two terms से common. x is common, so we are left with x plus 10. Then -6 common लेंगे, again we are left with x plus 10. Now x plus 10 is common, so we are left with x minus 6. 1 by 1 will put both the factors to be equal to 0. तो x की दो वैल्यूज आ जाएंगी, x equal to -10 and x equal to 6. अब क्वेश्चन में क्या है हमारे x and y everyone? Yes. और x and x plus 4 I can say. What are these? The dimensions. Length और breadth की बात हो रही है, so we know it can't be negative. So ये वैल्यू होगी discard. Why? Because length cannot be negative. So we have got the value of x as 6. x अगर 6 है तो लेंथ की वैल्यू क्या है हमारे पास? 6 plus 4 that is equal to 10. So what are the dimensions everybody? 6 and 10 meter. Take the product, area क्या आ रहा है? 60. So we have verified that as well. Okay, चलिए जी, next question. The difference of squares of two consecutive natural numbers is 31. Find them. अब difference किसका given है? Consecutive natural numbers के squares का. So let's write them. पहला नंबर लेंगे, let one number be x. Next number क्या होगा? x plus 1. Difference of squares. बड़े नंबर का स्क्वायर बड़ा होगा, राइट एवरीबॉडी? ऑब्वियसली x plus 1 होल स्क्वायर minus x square, right? Difference of squares of two consecutive natural numbers. ये क्या given है? Equal to 31. We have to find the numbers. Mathematically हमने लिख लिया. Let's open it up and let's see what kind of equation we are getting. So यहाँ से we are gonna get x square plus 2x plus 1 minus x square that is equal to 31. X square cancel out. So it's not a quadratic equation. Linear है, directly, easily we can find the answer. 2x is equal to 31 minus 1 that is 30. तो x क्या होगा? 15. If x is 15, then the other number is 15 plus 1 that is 16. So what are the numbers? 15 and 16. Verify करो, दोनों के squares लो and check their difference. You will get 31 there. Okay, चलिए जी, next one. A train covers 480 km at uniform speed. If the speed increases by 8 km per hour, time reduces by 3 hours. Find the speed. देखो, distance हमें given है, right? Distance, time और speed, तीनों के बीच में relationship क्या है everybody? Distance is equal to speed into time. चलिए, in these questions जहाँ distance, speed और time है, always try to get everything into single term, right? अब सोचो, दो situation है हमारे पास, एक distance है and uniform speed given है, let's say कुछ time में cover कर रही होगी वो distance. Then speed increase हो गई है, time reduce हो गया, obviously the faster it moves, the lesser amount of time it is gonna take. But क्या constant है इन दोनों cases में? The distance that it is covering. तो दोनों ही cases में we can equate the distance. और दो equation से we can substitute any variable from one to the other. Okay, so firstly we can write distance that is 480 is equal to, let's say speed is s into time is small t. First situation done, equation is there. Second one, speed increases by 8. तो new speed क्या होगी? s plus 8. पहले speed s थी, now it is s plus 8 kilometer per hour. Time reduces by 3 hours. So new time will be additional time in hours minus 3. And it is still equal to 480 because distance same है. Okay, अब दो variables में दो equation है हमारे पास, किसी एक में ला सकते हैं हम by substituting it, right? अब यहाँ से या तो time की value put कर लो या तो speed की. What we have to find here? Speed. That means we have to get rid of t there. So let's keep everything in s. तो t की value substitute करेंगे यहाँ से. I have got t as 480 over s. Substitute in this equation. So we'll get s plus 8 times 480 over s minus 3. That is equal to 480. क्या करेंगे अब? We can simplify it and we'll end up getting a quadratic equation. LCM लेंगे, s plus 8 into 480 minus 3s. That is equal to 480s. Okay, in this side we have got 480s minus 3s square plus 8 times 480 minus 24s. That is equal to 480s. Take everything onto the same side. We can take this to the other side ताकि leading coefficient अपने पास positive हो. Right. So we'll get here 3s square, then terms of s. 480 already है हमारे पास. This will get cancelled out on both the sides. We'll get plus 24s, and this will become negative 0, 3840, that is equal to 0. So what have we got here, everybody? The required quadratic equation. We can take 3 common throughout, right? Simplify the equation and then we can find the roots. Now, this is the task for you. Find this and tell me in the comments. Okay, simplify करके फटाफट comments में बताओ what are we getting as the answer, right? 2 values आएंगे. Tell me both the values and tell me why are we discarding one of the value. Similar logic है जो हम already use कर चुके हैं, so that is the hint for you. So I'll be waiting for your comments. चलिए जी, next question. The area of right triangle is 84 centimeter square and base exceeds the height by 5 centimeter. Find the base and height. एक right angle triangle की हम बात कर रहे हैं. Let's say this is the triangle. ये है base, ये है height और we can say perpendicular and this is the hypotenuse क्योंकि यहाँ है हमारा 90 degree angle. अब क्या given है? Base exceeds the height by 5 centimeter. Let's say height है h, तो base हमें क्या given है? Height से 5 centimeters ज़्यादा, that is h plus 5. Then we are given with the area. Quickly tell me in the comments the area for a right angle triangle, everybody. Yes, how do we find it? Half into base into height. Right, let's substitute the values. 84 is equal to 1 over 2 times h times h plus 5. Right, simplify करेंगे to get the equation. So we'll get here h square plus 5h minus everything we can take on to the same side. So we'll end up getting here 168. Now we can factorize it. कुछ भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Let's say easiest way is splitting the middle term. Okay, a into c negative 168. We have to split it into 2 factors such that उनका sum या difference क्या होगा? 5. Whenever we are stuck, क्या करते हैं हम? Factorize, or we can say prime factorization. Right. एक बार प्राइम फैक्टर्स आ गए, देन वी कैन मेक अप पेयर्स सच दैट जो डिफरेंस या जो सम हमें चाहिए वी आर गोना गेट दैट. ओके, सो लेट्स से वी आर टेकिंग 3 into 2 into 2. 14. Difference is 2. Sum also not working. Another pair, let's say we are choosing. This also is not working. What else we can take? For the rest, I guess difference increase ही होगा, it won't decrease. So in that case, what we can do? We can always use the formula there. Directly we can use the formula. X की वैल्यू क्या आएगी अपने पास? X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Right? If you are stuck, don't waste time. If nothing is working, formula पे आ जाओ, we'll get the values of x. So let's substitute the values. A क्या है? 1. B है 5, C है negative 168. Right, we can plug in the values here. Negative 5 plus minus under root B square minus 4 into 1 into 168. Negative negative positive upon 2 times A, that is just 2. Now we just have to simplify this part. So let me just remove this. Negative 5 plus minus under the root 25 plus 4 into 168 672, add it into 25, so we get -5 plus minus under root 697 over 2. Right, so root में हमारे पास values आएंगी, that is fine, not an issue. So accordingly we can put the values of h and h plus 5. Negative value को discard कर देंगे, right? -5 and negative root 697, that will give us a negative value. तो negative height नहीं हो सकती, the length can't be negative. We'll take only the positive value and that gives us the right answer. Okay. चलिए जी, next one. The length of rectangle is 2 more than the breadth and area is 48 meters square. Find the dimensions. Just like the question we did back there. Similar question है, so let's create the equation. Okay, length is 2 more than breadth. So we can assume the breadth to be x. Let's say that is x. So the length will be 2 more than that, x plus 2. Now we can write the area of rectangle. वो क्या होगा? Simply length into breadth and the value is given. So we can say length into breadth. So area is given to be 48. Length is x plus 2 times x is equal to 48. So we have got here x square plus 2x minus 48 equal to 0. Equation आ गई अपने पास. Now we can factorize it and we'll have our value. Okay, so let's do that. So let's say we have a and c as -48. Difference क्या चाहिए हमें? Sum or difference we need at as 2. So how can we break it up? Let's see. 48. Okay. 8 and 6. That should work. Negative कौन सा होगा? We need the difference to be positive, but we need the product to be negative. तो एक negative होगा, that will be the smaller one. So we can write it as x square plus 8x minus 6x minus 48 equal to 0. We can take x common from the first two terms, so we are left with x plus 8. Then we can take -6 common, again we are left with x plus 8. अब x plus 8 को common लेंगे, so we are left with x minus 6. One by one we'll put each factor equal to 0, तो x की दो values आ गई अपने पास, that is -8 and 6. अब dimensions की बात हो रही है, length, breadth can't be negative, discard करेंगे value, so x क्या हो गया? 6. If x is 6, then the length will be 8. So the dimensions are 6 and 8 meter respectively. Okay, then next one, number and its reciprocal add up to 5 over 2. Find the number. Okay, I'll help you with the equation and you all will tell me the answer in the comments. चलिए फटाफट इक्वेशन पे आते हैं. नंबर एंड इट्स रेसिप्रोकल. लेट्स से नंबर है x, रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा? 1 over x. सम गिवन है हमें 5 over 2. एलसीएम लेंगे x, so this will be x square plus 1. Now we'll just cross multiply. तो इक्वेशन क्या आ जाएगी अपने पास? 2x square plus 2 is equal to 5x, or I can write as 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Factorize करेंगे and we will have our answer. Okay then. So that was all everybody. Let's quickly summarize what we learned today. Real life problems solve किए हमने based on quadratic equation. So what is the procedure? Statement form में given होगा question, from there we'll assume the unknown to be x or any variable. Mathematical form में लिखेंगे, then we'll end up getting a quadratic equation. Standard form में लिखो and then factorize it and find the solution. After getting the solution everybody, what do we do there? We see the practical conditions given in the question, जैसे कि length है, speed है, we know they can't be negative, so accordingly we'll choose the solutions, the valid solutions which are acceptable. Right, so क्या मिल जाता है हमें quadratic equation से? एक mathematical model for solving the practical problems. So that was all everybody. Don't forget to sign up for your free trial class using the comments there, and you can see the link in the description below.